guys, today we're going to be making Suji Bapa Pita or Semolina Bapa Pita. It's from the Bengali cuisine and it's very easy to make with this step-by-step tutorial. So let's get started. 1 cup of suji or semolina. We're going to first fry this in a pot. On a low flame, make sure the pot is dry with no water or oil. You're going to pour in your semolina or suji and then stir it around so it doesn't burn. So stir your semolina around for 3 minutes. Sugar to taste, half a teaspoon of salt, a quarter cup of shredded coconut, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1 cup of cold water, and adding the salt and sugar with the semolina, and then mix that together. And then gradually pour in your water. Not all of it at once. Do it slowly so you can combine it into a dough. It'll be like a soft dough texture. The semolina should initially soak in the water and then leave the dough to rest for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, it has rested and became a bit more solid. Then you're going to mix in your shredded coconut and your baking powder. We'll also need more shredded coconut and jaggery. And we're using a cupcake tray to make our Suji Bapa Pita. We're just greasing it with a little bit of oil. So firstly, at the base of your cupcake tray, you're going to add in your semolina mixture. Then you're going to place some of your jaggery and coconut over that. And then add a bit more of your mixture over that to cover it. Then cover your tray with tin foil. Make sure it's properly sealed with tin foil. pot with boiling water. We have a stand which we're going to place our tray on. Then cover with a lid and leave to cook for 20 minutes on a high flame. Make sure if there is any gaps that it is covered and sealed. After 20 minutes, we're taking off the tin foil. It should be cooked. And as you can see, it may have spilled the good a little bit, but that doesn't matter. Still liquid and can be cleaned easily. But it's now cooked and firm. Now with the toothpick, we're just going all the way around the edges and then taking it out. As you can see, it looks very beautiful and smooth and cooked. So we're doing the rest exactly the same, taking them out with a toothpick. So here we have a very easy method on how to make Suji Bapa Pita, and it tastes absolutely amazing when you eat it, and they look very nice. So be inspired, try new things and conquer amazing skills, and like and subscribe and comment down below and check out our other videos. Thanks for watching. Bye.